Hi, I'm here to show you the visionOS 26 beta widgets. Let's go and see it. I already put my widgets like everywhere, like there, and the battery was on the top of the door, but I put it here with the small widgets. And let's see the default app, the widgets. So just one was, only 3 of them was there. Music, photos, clock. Everything is on there. Photo, music, and clock. Let's see from top to the bottom. Batteries. The small one, medium one, and large ones. Yeah, it's exactly the same as the iPhone. And here it is one. You can set the inset, like coming on at the wall. I think the wall, it goes really good. It's just implemented in my wall. So that's it. And the calendar. The calendar that I have implemented here, if I touch this one, it opens the calendar. And small one with the schedule, and day schedule, and week schedule, and the day and month. Yeah, it's just everything is like iPhone widgets. I like this one. I want to see all the dates like in month. And the clock. There is analog one, and the reflection, and the digital without the seconds, and another reflection, the digital one, and with second, the digital. Let's see the reflection and the analog. On this analog, this second and the minute and the hour, the pin is like coming out like 3-dimensional. In the insert widget, you can see the clock is moving like a real clock. And the reflection widget is just like this. It just looks like the widget in the Apple Watch. And it reflects. Could you guys see the reflection? But I really don't like those gold things, so it's not really my style. Yeah. And let's see. The music. The music is right there. And my playlist, I set it up. It was Today at Apple. And the playlist right here. And you can do anything. I think the album is that I have recently played before. Yeah, just like that. If you touch it, it plays. If you touch it again, it stops. Yeah, that's the music widget. And the note is exactly as same as the iPhone. And photos. Photos, just this are photo with a poster. And this is the spatial one. Small one, large one. Little bit, how could I call it, landscape mode. And this the portrait mode, like that one. Let's see the size difference. Okay. That's more radius corner. Corner radius more than this one. Let's see. Okay, I thought this was a little bit big. Then let's delete this one and move this to here. And the spatial photo, I have to pick some of them. Cute one. Good. Thumbs up. Sleeping baby. And in the water. Yeah, I picked 5 photos. An insert widget. Yeah. I think it looks good enough for this size. And on the photo widgets, there is some of this panorama Okay. Before I show you, I think I have to move this photo widgets. I mean the music widget right there. Stop here. And this panorama. This is really great. Okay. I can size up more. Let's see how it happens. This is on top of my bed, and if you move it around, like I can see outside there. Yeah, it's exactly. I don't know what place is this. This is default image from Apple, and is showing exactly where you go. You can see it like a window. This is great. Okay, that was the photos and podcast. I really don't listen to podcasts, so I can't show you anything. But let's see. I think it's exactly the same as the iPhone podcast. Yeah. Recently, I saw the Apple event, so that's why it has been happening right now. But I don't use it podcast, so. And the reminder is exactly same as the iPhone, so yeah, I'll pass it out. And the stock is same as the iPhone. Let's see this one. They have said they have added 3D chart onto OS 26. Yeah, that's not 3D chart right now. Okay, the stock is here. In the weather, small one and the large one. Okay, small one was I added, and this is the large one. Yeah, it's too big. I think the small one with other widgets, it looks like good with the grid, and large one is too big. So I'm gonna delete it. Okay, I want to show you this one. If I move it widget to on top of the widget, it goes to snap right away. It just looks like exactly at the bottom. And if you go right here, it goes on the top, and it's exactly centered to the widgets. Yeah, that was great. That is great. That is really great. You don't really have to think about, you have to move it around and make it perfect grid. You don't have to do those things. All right. This was the visionOS 26 widgets. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.